G20 सम्मेलन में शामिल होने के लिए इटली गए प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने इटली के अपने समकक्ष मारियो ड्रैगी से मुलाकात की। इस दौरान पीएम मोदी ने जलवायु परिवर्तन समेत अफगानिस्तान का मुद्दा उठाया। पीएम मोदी ने कहा कि अफगानिस्तान के हालात को अलग कर नहीं देखना चाहिए और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय समुदाय को बहुत ध्यान से युद्धग्रस्त देश से आने वाली धमकी और खतरे को देखना चाहिए। विदेश सचिव हर्षवर्धन श्रृंगला ने बताया कि पीएम मोदी ने मारियो ड्रैगी से मुलाकात के दौरान अफगानिस्तान समस्या के मूल की ओर ध्यान दिलाया, जिस पर वास्तव में गौर करने की जरूरत है, जो कट्टरवाद, चरमपंथ और आतंकवाद है और इसके नतीजों को बहुत सतर्कता से मूल्यांकन करने की जरूरत है। श्रृंगला ने कहा कि पीएम मोदी ने कहा कि अफगानिस्तान पर शासन करने वाले और वहां के लोगों में अंतर करना चाहिए। वहां के लोगों को मानवीय सहायता की पेशकश की जानी चाहिए।
The meeting with the President of the European Commission Council, as well as the meeting that has just been held with the Prime Minister of Italy, His Excellency Mr. Mario Draghi, the main issues of discussion were those really, if you look at it, those that relate to the G20 summit. There was a discussion on the issue of health recovery, recovery from COVID, economic recovery at a global level. There was a discussion on climate change issues, and also, of course, the discussion extended to some areas of regional and global interest, including the situation in Afghanistan. The Indo-Pacific were discussed in both meetings. Now, as far as the EU is concerned, I think the leaders recalled that they had very, very significant exchange when the India-EU leaders meeting in the form of the EU plus 27 took place in May this year, and the 15th India-EU summit took place in July 2020.
विदेश सचिव ने बताया कि भारत में कोरोना वैक्सीनेशन के बेहतरीन उपलब्धि को लेकर इटली के प्रधानमंत्री समेत ईयू नेताओं ने प्रधानमंत्री मोदी को बधाई दी। विदेश सचिव ने आगे कहा कि हमारे प्रस्ताव पर कुछ ईयू देशों से पहले ही प्रतिक्रिया मिल चुकी है।
The EU leaders, as well as the Italian Prime Minister, did congratulate Prime Minister for India's excellent progress on vaccination, both in terms of the numbers of vaccines actually administered in our country, and also in terms of the percentage of people covered in terms of the first dose. In the afternoon, the Prime Minister paid a floral tribute to Mahatma Gandhi at the Piazza Gandhi. This was in the presence of a large number of members of the Indian community who came there to greet the Prime Minister, who were there and who did so with great enthusiasm. As we speak, the Prime Minister is also meeting separately members of the Indian diaspora in Italy, friends of India from different organizations, including representatives of the Italian Hindu Union, the Italian Congregation for Krishna Consciousness, Sikh community and institutions involved in the commemoration of Indian soldiers who fought in Italy during the World Wars. He's also interacting with several Indologists and Sanskrit scholars during the meeting. Prime Minister, of course, has been appreciative of the role played by community members in strengthening ties between India and Italy.
इसके साथ ही विदेश सचिव ने कहा कि यूरोपीय संघ के कुछ देशों ने पहले ही हमारे प्रस्ताव पर प्रतिक्रिया दी है। हमने G20 में भी वैक्सीन प्रमाणन की आपसी मान्यता का प्रस्ताव दिया है। इस पर भी चर्चा भी जारी है।
The issue of vaccination certification was, I think, discussed especially with the EU representatives, and I think the issue of easier access travel with normalization that is increasingly seen as countries recover from the COVID pandemic was certainly discussed. There was a conversation on mutual recognition of vaccines. I think there is a sense that this is one very I would say doable mechanism through which we can facilitate easier international travel. The details of this, of course, will have to be worked out bilaterally. I think the European Union, the European Council can only provide general guidelines. Having said that, I think quite a few EU countries have already responded to our proposal. We are already making some headway in that regard. And the question, of course, was also on the G20. We have proposed a mutual recognition of vaccination certification even at the G20. But as we speak, discussions on an outcome document are still on. So I think most countries are quite happy with the idea of facilitating smoother international travel. Whether that detail is something that will emerge is yet to be seen. But the fact of the matter is that a number of countries feel that easier access and easier travel is something that we need to collectively work on.
वहीं से पहले पीएम मोदी ने रोम के पियाजा में भारतीय मूल के लोगों से मुलाकात की। उन्होंने पियाजा गांधी में महात्मा गांधी की प्रतिमा पर श्रद्धा सुमन भी अर्पित की। पीएम मोदी ने इटली यूनिवर्सिटी में कार्यरत संस्कृत भाषा के जानकारों से भी मुलाकात की।
हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और नई अपडेट्स के लिए बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें।